outside speakers, big campsite window, and then front storage. Got some electrical outlets on the outside for a TV, light inside the storage bin area. And then as we watch Peter Pan's shadow, we go inside the motorhome. And inside, at first glance, you're going to see a lot of counter space. Tons of counter space with rope lighting, two-piece sink with sink covers. Then we're going to move over to the stove, glass top that folds up for a 3-burner stove, but also serves as some more counter space when you're not using the stove top. Standard size RV oven. Then going over, you have drawers. Camping utensils, plastics, things of that nature. And then we're going to go into the cabinet door that's underneath the stove. Gives you a little bit of storage for some bigger pots and pans. And then right above, we're going to go into another big cabinet. And then right next to that, of course, is the microwave. And inside this cabinet, you got a little plug if you want to plug in something in there, because the microwave is already plugged in. And then again, lots and lots of storage. As you guys can tell, this kitchen in this toy hauler has tons of counter space, tons of storage. And of course, you got access to your plumbing and more storage under the sink. And then you have a 6 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. Pardon me, I'm wrong. 8 cubic foot refrigerator, and you have storage above it. If you looked at the little key ring, that actually is a TV. And then below that, your breaker box and fuse panel. And of course, we're going to go into your controls, radio, solar charge controller, storage on top. And then right below that are 2 doors for cabinets. Tons and tons of storage. I've repeated myself probably 3 times on that. And then you have the double bunk bed. And the second bunk bed at the bottom turns into the dinette that folds together to make the second bunk bed. And then you have a captain's chair with another table. So it sleeps up to 6 people. Now heading into the bathroom, the toilet's right in the right position to give you a little chicken wing space. And then you have nice counter space around the bathroom, sink, medicine cabinet, and glass shower door. Nice and tall for those guys that are 6 feet plus. That would not be me. And then going into the bedroom, little Blair Witch there. You got a 1 closet and a drawer below for hangables. And you can see the shelf next to it. You can put storage up there as well. It's accessible from 2 sides. So we call it a side bed. Queen. And then you have a nightstand next to it. And windows on both sides. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to see future videos. And for that bonus trailer I want to show you, look in the top right hand corner.